guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we're going to talk about makeup hygiene. And you're thinking, ye kya hai? What is makeup hygiene? So a lot of us love makeup and we can't even step out of the house without applying some lipstick or mascara, even kajal for that matter. But guys, if you don't store your makeup properly, it can grow a lot of germs and this could be really bad for your skin. So now I'm going to tell you makeup hygiene tips and how to take care of your makeup. So let's start. So the first thing is very important. Always when you start your makeup, when you start your day, please remember that you start your makeup fresh, that you wash your face completely, like really well, and then you apply your product. That is very important so that you don't grow any bacteria or you don't have any dirt on your skin. So first thing is you wash your face before you apply your makeup. Second most important thing is check for expiry date. Every time you purchase your makeup, even if it's like a few months old now, check your expiry date. You don't want to apply expired product on your skin, and that will also spoil your skin. You don't want acne, so please check for expiry date. So sharing isn't always caring for makeup, okay? Don't share your kajal and lipstick and all. Try not to share it with your family and friends because eye products and all might give you like pink eye or cold sores and all. You don't want that. So try not to share your makeup product with your family and friends. The next thing is when you go to a store to purchase makeup, make sure that you wipe the lipstick, or if you're buying some blush or something, just wipe the upper surface, or else just use disposable applicators. That is much better because there are a lot of germs which sit on that makeup. It will really ruin your skin. Always close your makeup once you've done applying your makeup. Please, if it's a foundation or eyeshadow, anything, just close it. You don't want germs. Storing your makeup. Always store your makeup in cool and dry place. Moisture can always infect your makeup. So make sure that you keep it in a nice safe place where it's cool and dry, not somewhere where it's like moist, especially not in the bathroom. Don't keep your eyeshadows and all these things in the bathroom. I wouldn't recommend that. Very important thing, wash your hands before applying makeup. Even if you're like taking a little bit of lip balm or anything, make sure that you wash your hands. Fingers tend to have a lot of germs and bacteria. This is a really cool tip. Sharpen your pencils before you apply, like a lip pencil or kajal. This will get rid of the bacteria. So it's a really cool tip to sharpen your pencil and then you apply so that there's no bacteria. Last but very important thing, remove your makeup before going to bed. You don't want any acne and all. Your skin will get spoiled if you don't remove your makeup before going to bed. So very important, please remove your makeup before you hit the bed. So guys, these were a few makeup hygiene tips. I hope these were like really useful for y'all. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Lena Gowda Official. You'll see me, my day-to-day life there. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. And I will see you later. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.